On the pole is and it's Chris Cardish out front, the number 26. But here comes David Stites around the outside. Heat race winner Lanny Savage. Boy, tough start for Savage. Looks like he may have a flat rear tire. We'll see. Third spot right now, that is Keller. Into fourth, it is Sam Bunch. Actually, that's Schmitz in the team car to Bunch. And in fact, Savage, flat right rear tire, tough break for him. Now Schmitz coming after the 99 Keller for third as we work lap number 2. 5, your leader is still Carnish. Ballas going for first, Ballas going for third, and another one going on for fifth right now. We need all you folks, kids and adults, to back up that chain link fence, please. Don't want somebody getting hurt by something flying off a race car. I was saying that new leader is David Stites. Carnish starting to smoke in the 26. And looks like he is done. Tough break for Chris Carnish, the 2023 champion. That gives Stites a massive lead out front. Keller still holding off Schmitz. Schmitz in, I believe that's the former Chris Evans car that won several main events out here. Round at the back, Bunch. Oh, he hits that inside berm, straightens him out, aims him at the crash wall. Once out front, Stites going to be very hard to catch. Lanny Savage coming back onto the racetrack, but several laps down. There'll be 8 down next time by. After this main event, we're going to give you that number for the raffle for the surveys after this main event, so get your raffle tickets ready. Once again, folks, we need everybody, adults and kids, move back off the chain link fence, please. Stites about a half straightaway lead over Keller. Pack with a problem turn number 4. He straightens it out. We continue on. Halfway next time by for Stites, who now puts a lap on Pack. Third spot right now, that's the 91 car, Cameron Bro on the back straightaway. Right behind him, the 47 is Schmitz. Top 5 rounded out by the number 7 of Sam Bunch. More lap traffic possibly coming up very quickly for the leader, David Stites. Seven to go for Stites. got Schmitz up to challenge for third. That's Schmitz in the 47. Third place car is the 91. That's Bro. 77 is a lap down. Once again, we're going to give you that raffle number as soon as this race ends, so get your raffle tickets ready. Schmitz takes a look at the inside of Bro. Bro holds him off turn number 2. Stites puts a lap on early leader Lanny Savage, who had to go to the pit area to change a flat right rear tire. Laps to go this time by. And around goes Sam Bunch in turn 4. He turns it around. We'll keep on racing. Here comes the battle for third. It's still Cameron Bro just in front of Schmitz. Right in front of the leader, car lurched toward the crash wall. Stites alertly dove to the inside. He has 3 laps to go for his first win of the year. Now Schmitz trying to go to the inside. They're team racing now, trying to trap the number 91 car. And it works. Schmitz takes over third. White flag the next time for the 42 of David Stites. Last lap flag, 1 to go. Checker is going to come down this time by the two-time and defending champion is going to win the first factory stock main of the year. The victory goes to David Stites. Second goes to Keller. Third spot's going to go to Schmitz. Fourth will go to the 91. That's Cameron Bro. And fifth, I'm not sure of. I think it's Malone.
7:37.69.
7:37.69, the time on the main event for the factory. 6:307. 2:26.307.
Nice job. Let's go!
There he is. Didn't we just do this at the end of last season? This is kind of getting old, isn't it?
Nah. Man, I felt them on my tail the entire time. James, he's got that car put together, man. I'm proud of him. He's running hard. He's running good. He's going to give me a run for my money. Andrew is, I think, right there in third as well. He bought that car from Dave Urain. So, man, it's so fun to run with buddies up front. It's amazing.
Well, you had to cut your way through some traffic there, too, towards the end.
Yeah, that got a little hairy coming out of 4 there, but luckily I went the right way. So, yeah, I was going to go on the outside, but then he just shot up. So I was like, ooh, okay.
Oops. So the whole family is here as normal, right?
Yeah.
As usual.
Yeah. Got to thank my sponsors, Melody Thai Cuisine. If you haven't had them in Menifee, it's bomb Thai food. Obnoxious Racing Engines, got all of our motors together. Well and Sons Racing, getting the car set up for perfect every single time. Super Zings, appreciate you guys. Whole family, love you guys. Dave, Janice, I see you guys. Thank you so much for coming. Even more family came. I love it. So, and Shelby, what's up, Shel? So, Sam, Tai, Tessa, I had to win the first race with my daughter here. 10 months old this month, so.
There you go.
You got to do it.
You got to do it. Well, you know what comes next. You've done this before. You stand up there, they take some pictures, you hold the trophy, and checks in the mail.
It never gets old.
Never gets old. Congratulations, sir.